Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this beautiful Belle ornament that I have. Belle is one of my absolute favorite princesses, and this here is one of my favorite outfits. So this is the winter scene. Belle, you can see that she has the beautiful bluebird with her gorgeous coat. I love this, the detail that's hand painted. So if you're looking at her beautiful dress, it's got all the different tones, and her hood has the fur on it, and I just love how real they made this look towards the cartoon. It's literally just so beautiful, like looking at Belle just from the movie. This bluebird detail is amazing too. It's so tiny, but they literally painted the itty bitty beak with the eyes, and there's different blues on it too. So it made it just so unique and beautiful. I'm really amazed just how well that they paint these, just how beautiful. They just capture a moment in the movie as well. And like I said, Belle is one of my favorite princesses, and this is one of my favorite scenes from the movie. So of course I had to have this in my collection. It's for my daughter, but we kind of share. We're massive Disney fanatics. So I was very impressed by this. That's just my point of view.